In September of 1950, a young pioneer named Nurtanio Pringo Adisuryo has returned to Indonesia in an attempt to start the Indonesian aviation industry. With help from several technicians and basic equipment, they began an experiment of designing and building an indigenous aircraft. This is the history of the aircraft named Si Kumbang. The newly independent Indonesia was only equipped with a handful of aircraft that had been handed over by the Netherlands. With the growing need for homeland defense and fighting various separatist forces, in 1953, Nurtanio Pringo Adisuryo had the opportunity to design an armed reconnaissance aircraft to meet those demands. With the voluntary assistance of 19 technicians and several notable figures, Nurtanio began designing the aircraft using the basic tools and materials available at the time. To fulfill the role as an armed reconnaissance aircraft, the aircraft is required to have a simple design, able to take off and land on short runways, tough, and able to be operated without the need for a regular maintenance. From the design aspect, the aircraft has a wide canopy with a high seating position, communication radio, tricycle landing instrument, and planned to be equipped with automatic rifles, rockets, and napalm bombs for combat. In terms of construction, iron and aluminum are used as the basic materials for the frame and skins of the aircraft, while woods are used for the propeller and some parts of the wings to substitute the lack of metal materials. Due to the conditions at the time, all the basic materials and engine were collected from various plane wrecks in several places in Indonesia. On 1st of August 1954, an aircraft named Si Kumbang or the Beetle, piloted by Captain E. Powers, successfully flew for the first time in front of Indonesian Air Force staff, media, and the public. This success convinced the Air Force staff to continue the project into mass production. But fate said otherwise. Despite many improvements, the project was eventually terminated. This is the end of the journey of the Beetle. Although unsuccessful, the aircraft became an important key in the history of Indonesian aviation. This was proof where Indonesia's dedication and readiness is tested in starting an independent aviation industry.